Welcome back to this video. Whether you are in China or you are planning to visit China, or you are already in China but you are worrying about making payments in China, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to activate your Nihao wallet and start using the wallet for payment of goods and services in China without any stress. This is the app I'm talking about right here. All you have to do, if you are using Android phone, make sure you go to your Play Store and then search for Nihao China app right here. If you are using iPhone, go to your App Store and search for Nihao China app. After the successful download and install, all you have to do is to click on open right here. Click on open and it takes you to this interface. It will ask you to create a simple account. Just create an account with your email account. After you successfully create an account with your email account, it's going to take you right here. By the time you click on here, you have your email being binded right here into this particular wallet. How can you activate your wallet and start using this mobile payment in China? All you have to do is to simply click on here, top up wallet, Toa wallet right here. Click on Toa wallet. And this is going to pump up right here. Then what you have to do here is that click on enable. This particular Toa balance right here, accept Visa, MasterCard, JCB, Dinner Clubs, Union Pay card, and pay with balance directly from this wallet right here. Go ahead and click on enable. And then all you have to do, the top balance and AI agent feature are only available for use within mainland China. Please ensure you are located in mainland China. When using the aforementioned features, you have to know that. All you have to do is to click on I know. Once you click on I know, it's going to take you right here. Click on here to change the country code right here. Then here you go. All you have to do is to make sure you select your country right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see all available country in these sections right here. Just like so. I'm still looking for my country. Here you go. Select your country. Once you select your country, you want to make sure that enter your phone number. In order to activate the wallet, we need to collect your mobile number. Click on here and enter your mobile number right here. Once you enter your mobile number, click on next. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on agree. Then go ahead and click on your nationality right here. Then go ahead and make sure you search for your country again. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on next right here. A verification code is going to be sent to your mobile number.